Now we are going to discuss then how to represent the Hindu-Arabic numbers into Roman numerals till 40, till 39, 40. Okay. Then first one representation, direct representation is there, that is I. In Roman number, so we can represent it with I. Then 2. How to represent this 2 in Roman, in the Arabic numbers into Roman numerals. Then 2 means 2 direct representation is not there. Then we have to write 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here repeated addition. Repeated addition means same numbers we have to take, same Roman numerals we have to take twice. If same Roman numerals repeats means addition. So then 2 represents I and I. I and I. Then 3. Then how to represent these 3 into Roman numeral? That is, same numbers we have to add 3 times. That is I. If any Roman numeral repeat 3 times means that same number we have to add 3 times. 3 representation I and I. Then, so whatever the Roman numeral is there, that will repeat maximum 3 times only, not more than 3 times. Here maximum 3 times I repeats. Then after that it won't repeat. It won't repeat. So here 4. Don't take here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 4 times. If you take 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 4 times, so you get answer 4. But here 4 times. Roman numeral won't repeat 4 times, maximum 3 times only. So here it won't work out. Then what we have to do? Another way, 4. How 5 representation is there? 5 representation is there in Roman numeral. 5 minus 1. 1 representation is also there. 5 minus 1, it gives 4 answer. It gives 4 answer. Then 5 minus 1. Whenever minus is there, the smaller Roman numeral will come first and bigger Roman numeral then after. Means it is on left side. If minus, whenever minus is there, according to our third rule, if a smaller Roman numeral is left side of a bigger Roman numeral, then it means subtraction. It means subtraction. Whenever subtraction sign is there, first we have to take smaller Roman numeral and after that we have to take bigger Roman numeral. Then after that 5. Then how to take this 5? How to take this 5? That direct representation is there. 5 direct representation, that is V. That is V. No need to change nothing. Why? Because direct representation. 1 direct representation is there and 5 direct representation is there. 1 and this 5. Direct representation is there in Roman numerals. So then after that 6 direct representation is not there. Then how to take? That is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Here plus is there. Whenever plus will come, first we have to represent bigger Roman numeral first, then smaller Roman numeral next. So opposite to this. If minus is there, then smaller Roman numeral will come first, then bigger Roman numeral afterwards. If plus is there, bigger Roman numeral will come first, then smaller Roman numeral. So in that way we have to represent. Then after that 7. How to represent this 7? 5 plus 1. 6 plus 1. 7. Then 5. Plus is there. So then first we have to take a bigger Roman numeral. And these are, after that we have to take 2 smaller Roman numeral, that 2 repeated. Why? Here addition is there. Addition means repeated Roman numeral twice. Here 2 same Roman numerals in addition. So 2 same Roman numerals we will take on right side, because plus sign is there. Whenever plus n is there, that we have to take after that. Bigger number first and two smaller Roman numerals. Two smaller Roman numerals. Then after that 8. How to take 8? The same. 5 plus 1. 6. 6 plus 1. 7. 7 plus 1. 8. 7 plus 1. 8. Then plus is there. So plus, then bigger Roman numeral first. Then smaller Roman numeral thrice. 3 times we will repeat. We have to repeat 3 times I. It represents 8. And 9, sorry, here 9. We have to take 9. This is 10. This is 10 and this is 11. Then how to represent 9? How to represent 9? 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 times 1. No, it is not correct. Why? Because maximum 3 times. If any Roman numeral, that repeats maximum 3 times. Here I repeats maximum 3 times. If 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 times, that is also 9. But sir, it is not applicable in Roman system. Then how to take 9? That is 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. So why we are not taking 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 4 times? Because we won't repeat a same Roman numeral more than 3 times. So that is why. So don't apply that one. So next. So what we have to apply? It is near to 10. Then 10 minus 1, we will get 9. We will get 9. Then how to write this? Minus is there. Whenever minus is there, first we have to take smaller Roman numeral, then bigger Roman numeral. Smaller Roman numeral we have to take first, bigger Roman numeral next. When? If minus is there. Then 10 is there, 10 direct representation is there in Roman system. No need to divide and all addition, subtraction, no need. So just you take the direct representation, that is x. Now, then how to represent 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 in Roman numerals. So these are Hindu-Arabic Roman numerals. Then how to write? So these in Roman numerals. 11. It is near to 10. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. This is in addition. So addition means first we have to take a bigger Roman numeral, then smaller Roman numeral, then smaller Roman numeral. Then 12. 12 means 10 plus 1 plus 1. Here addition and repeated addition means the same Roman numeral we have to take. So first we have to take a bigger Roman numeral. Why? Because here addition is there. When addition is there, then bigger Roman numeral we have to take first, and this repeated Roman numerals I and I. Then 13. 13 means 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So all are in addition. First we have to take bigger Roman numeral and 3 repeated Roman numerals I. Then 14. Then how to represent 14? 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 4 times. Don't take 4 times 1. Why? Because so we have to take maximum 3 times a same Roman numeral. Same Roman numeral will repeat maximum 3 times, not more than 3 times. Here already it repeats 3 times. Then after that it won't. So then how to take? 10 as it is, then plus 4. 4 means 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. Why? Because 4 direct representation is not there. So how to take 4? 4 already we wrote. So before we showed how to take 4. That is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. Then here 10. 10 means first, here plus is there. First we have to take a bigger Roman numeral. Here in this 2 minus is there. Minus means smaller Roman numeral will come first and bigger Roman numeral will come afterwards. So in between these two places there, so that is why we have the bigger Roman numeral first. And here in bracket, 5 minus 1 is 4, 10 plus 4 is 14, it represents 14. Then how to take 5 minus 1? Here minus is there. Whenever minus is there, smaller Roman numeral we take first, and after that bigger Roman numeral we have to write. Bigger Roman numeral we have to write. 15. 15 means 10 plus 5. 10 representation is there and 5 representation, direct representation is there. So 10 means x and 5 means v. Plus is there, so we have to take a bigger Roman numeral first and smaller Roman numeral after that. After 16, how to take 16? 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 1, 16. All are in addition. First bigger Roman numeral and after that little bit bigger v and 1 more v. Okay. Then 17. Then how to write 17? 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Then all are in addition. Then first bigger number first and little bit smaller, that is v, and repeated Roman numerals. Repeated Roman numerals. And 18. 10 plus 8. 8 already we did how to take 8. Before we discuss how to write 8. That is 10. 10 is extra and 8 already we wrote like this. And 19. 19. 10 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. Don't take 4 times because already 3 times here repeated. So 9 representation already we did. 10 is extra. 9 already we did. Previous I showed you, that is ix. 9 is 10 and 9. 19. Then 20. 20 means repeated tens groups. That is 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20. That is x and x. X and x. Repeated. So in this way we have to write. So the numbers, Hindu Arabic numbers, numerals into Roman numerals. So after that 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 till 39. So that number you have to think and you have to write.